as x squared plus 3x. That essentially means blank squared plus 3 blank. Everybody got that far, yeah? I need F1 and F2 to do my answers for part 2. So, I'm basically going to ignore that these ones exist. Is that okay with you guys? Not doing those ones, but I'm going to do the rest of them. Is that okay? Save a bit of time. So here we go. How'd you get F2, lads? Put 2 in here and what you get? 10 plus 6 is? Oh, sorry, 4 plus 6 is? 10. So everybody happy with 10 for the first one? Okay, you're going to get rid of that now. I'd imagine you're all capable of getting that. F1, guys, what are we doing here? 1, 1, and 1, and what do I get this time? 4. Everybody cool with that? Once again, I get rid of it, and the answer is 4. Now, give 2 values for which fx equals f1. What is fx, lads? Oh, you. So lads, what is fx? X squared plus 3x. And what's the answer for f1? Huh? Yeah, the answer is 4. So what I'm going to say here is, if I can get my, all right, oh, it's going crazy on me. Not good. All right, let's keep going. I'm going to say that fx equals 4. That's what that question means, isn't it? And therefore it means x squared plus 3x equals 4. Bring the 4 over to the other side and what you get? X squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. 2 numbers that multiply to give you minus 4 but add to give you plus 3. What do you have? 4 and minus 1. Go do the short way. Why am I allowed to do this the short way, guys? It's just a 1x squared. You can go a bit shorter with these ones. And what's my 2 answers? X minus 1 equals 0, x equals. And x plus 4 equals 0, x equals minus 4. Is that okay with you guys? All right. Do you reckon you know how to do the next one now? What's the answer for f2? 10. So x squared plus 3x equals 10. Bring 10 over to the other side, what happens? Minus 10 equals. And then 2 values is going to be x plus 5 and x minus 2. And what you do after that then? X plus 5 equals 0. So x equals minus 5. X minus 2 equals 0, x equals 2. How many people got those 2 answers? A handful of you, right? Nothing major. All right, move on. Move on. Okay. Realistically, this is giving you a hassle, isn't it? Yes, Alan. Here. Whatever fx is, that's fx in this particular question. That's why an x squared plus 3x appears directly underneath the fx. Whatever f2 is, we calculated f2 earlier and the answer is 10. 10 goes underneath. It says find the 2 values. 2 values means quadratic equation usually. And I'm looking at a quadratic equation, so I'll just solve the quadratic equation. Okay, good question though. Not the only one that wants to know that. All right, f blank equals what, guys? 4 times blank take away. Where do I get that from? Up there, you got it? Got it from up there. Now, what's f3 and f10? Really quickly, what's f3? f3 is 7. That's easy. And what's f10? f10 is 35. Once again, very easy. What's k times f3? K multiplied, see the way it says k f3? See the way there's nothing in between the k and the f? Yeah? That means you're multiplying. So k multiplied by the answer for f3 is 7k. 7k equals, what does k equal? All right. We good? Move on. No requested. All right. This one we were doing yesterday. What is, it's basically f of x equals g of x. What inputs for the function of f will give the same output as the function for g? So we want two inputs that will give the same output for each individual function. And many people don't even know what I said, what that means. That's okay, yeah. I'll explain now, all right? Very simply, what is fx? What is gx? It would make sense to solve this quadratic equation, wouldn't it? So you're going to end up with x squared. The ones cancel, and what's left over? 3x. What do you take out? X into? It is minus 3x, whoever said that. Good job. Okay, what's next then? X equals 0 or x minus 3 is 0 and x equals 3. Now, let's explain what this actually means. For what input will the outputs of function f and function g be the same? Let's find out. It says 0 is one of the answers. What's 0 squared plus 1? What's 3 times 0 plus 1? When I use an input of 0, the outputs of each function are 1. Or the same. Once if I use 3, what do you think should happen there? If I use 3, what will happen? 3 squared plus 1? The output is 10 for f. 3 times 3 plus 1? These two numbers must... So this question here means find the inputs for which the outputs will be the same. And you're done. Okay? So I've done 9, 11, and 15. All right, what Gables hassle here? What's H1, guys? H blank is 2 minus 3 times blank. So H1, isn't it? 2 minus 3 times 1? Minus 1. All right, what's Hx again? 2 minus 3x equals H1. What's H1? All right. Don't know why we've been asked this because it's quite obvious the answer should be 1. If Hx equals H1, it means x equals 1. Unless it's a quadratic equation in which there could be two answers. But this is a linear equation, so there should be the same answer again. What's minus 1 minus 2? Minus 3, multiply both sides by minus. And then you get x equals 3 divided by 3. 1. We all good? 9, 11, 15, 17, done. Okay, what about this question? All right. Anybody, what's 10 divided by 2? What's 10 divided by x? Just 10 over x, isn't it? What's 10 divided by 0? Undefined, doesn't work. Break your calculator. Math error. Math error means undefined. Do you get it? So, first thing we're going to do here, I'm going to answer part 2 first. If it's undefined, what happens to the bottom part of it? If it's undefined, the bottom part must turn to 0. What number will turn this to 0? If x equals, there you go. If x equals 1, this function will not be defined. Does that make sense? Now the next part is easy. I'll just do part C because you guys don't need too much help with this one. What's gx, guys? G blank equals 1 divided by blank take away 1. What do I put in the blank's position? And it's, can you use your calculator contest? Press the fraction button. Press 1. Press the fraction button again. Put 3/2 in. Press the right button and then take away 1. And the answer is 2. I don't think that's particularly hard, is it? No. 9, 11, 15, 17, 19. All right, fair enough with this one. Yes, sir. Here? Oh, don't mind that. That's just a language thing. Oh, you think it's x times that? All right. Is that what the back of the book has as the answer? All right, sorry. Let me come back to 17. So sorry, my bad. I didn't see that x there. That x realistically should be where, guys? Where should that x be? It should be right beside it, so it should actually say this. That's what I'm blaming anyway. I think they meant this, did they? That's what they meant. Fair enough. -1. And this is x times 2 minus 3x then. Is that what you're saying? And then multiply it out, you get 2x minus 3x squared equals -1. Move it over to your side and we get minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Multiply both sides by minus. All right, what's the reference number this time? 3 times -1? Huh? Two numbers that multiply to give me -3 but add to give me -2. -3 and plus 1. 3x squared minus 3x plus 1x minus 1 equals 0. Then what? 3x into x minus 1 plus 1 into x minus 1. Next part. What's the next part, lads? 3x plus 1 into x minus 1 equals 0. Then your two answers. X minus 1 equals 0. So the answer there would be x equals 1. And next answer would be 3x plus 1 equals 0. Bring over the 1 to the other side and what you get? -1. And then bring the 3 underneath. What you get? -1 over 3. Is that okay with you guys? We all good? Okay. Now, who got that out anyway? 1 and minus a third. Fair play, Mel. Alright. Done. 17, 19. Sorry, we're back to 21. 21 is one of the easiest ones going. All you need to do is put in the number k blank equals 2 by blank 2 to the power of blank take away 3. So what happens if it's k7? What do you do there? What's 2 to the power of 7 take away 3? 2 to the power of 4, put that into your calculator, you get 16. That's easy money. Okay. What about k3? 2 to the power of 3 take away 3. 2 to the power of 0, put that into your calculator. 1. All good? Yes. Yeah. No worries. Did we give you 23? Let g be the function x plus 4 to the power of a half. Show that g0 is bigger than g minus 4. All right, no bother. G blank equals blank plus 4. What are we going to put in first? We're going to put in 0, aren't we? So, oh, don't have to see that. 0 plus 4 to the power of a half. What do we get? The answer is 2. Okay. Now, there we go again. This is the part I want. What do we do next? Put in minus 4. And what's that? 0 to the power of a half, which is 0 to the power of anything. If you aren't sure, here's the non-thinking way of doing this. At 0. Is 2 bigger than 0? Yes, it is. All right. This one. All right. Simply, f of t is t squared minus 3t. Did everybody get that one? Just replace the x's with t's. And this one's slightly different. It's 2t plus 1 by 2t plus 1 minus 6t minus 3. 4t squared plus 2t plus another 2t plus 1 minus 6t minus 3. 4t squared. 4t take away 6t is minus 2t. Plus 1 take away 3 is minus 2. Everybody cool with that? Now, the answer, use different colors. This answer here, yeah, that's ft. This answer here, that's ft plus 1. Basically put pink equal yellow or yellow equal pink and solve your quadratic equation. Any questions? We good? Not yet. I'm going to do pink equals yellow. So I'm going to do 4t squared minus 2t take away 2 equals t squared minus 3t. Bring the t squared out the other side, it becomes minus t squared. Bring the 3t out the other side, it becomes plus 3t. So it's going to be 3t squared plus 1t take away 2. Ryan, we need a reference number. What reference number are you going to use? Killian. 3t squared plus 1t take away 2. I'm going to use minus 6 to begin with, because that's what 3 times minus 2 is. Two numbers that multiply to give you minus 6, but add to give you plus 1. Yeah, plus 3 and minus 2. So you get 3t squared plus 3t minus 2t minus 2 equals 0. 3t into t plus 1 minus 2 into t plus 1 equals 0. Now what? 3t minus 2 to t plus 1 equals 0. Yeah, t does equal minus 1. I'll go over this side. T plus 1 equals 0. T equals minus 1. 3t minus 2 equals 0. 3t equals 2. 2 equals 2 over 3. We all good? Who got that? Or is I just faster? Or 2 is fair enough. All right. By the way, it's hx, not tx. I don't know why they did that. Okay. You know the 220 degrees? That doesn't matter. It's just like a distraction. The only thing that matters is this formula here. hx equals 40 plus 30x. You got it? Now, All you have to do is lob in the turkey's weight and it will tell you how long it takes to cook it. In minutes, is it? Yeah, I'll tell you how long it takes to cook the turkey in minutes. So what's H6? 220 minutes? Oh, that's handy. Nothing to worry about there. What's H8.5? Huh? 295? Okay. It took one of them, it took a certain turkey took 310 minutes to cook. Do you think it's bigger than 8.5 or smaller than 8.5? How do you know it's bigger? Took longer to cook, so you're expecting an answer bigger than 8.5. How'd you do this one? You have the output, but you're looking for the input, yes? You shouldn't have to. Yeah, but you shouldn't have to resort to that. That's a backup move if you're desperate. If you're desperate, you could get good marks for it, okay? Now, what we say is 40 plus 30x equals what? 300 and? Bring the 40 over to your side. 200 and? X equals? It's a 9 kilogram turkey. On another day, a turkey was put in the oven at 1150 and it was taken out at 1600. How many minutes was it in the, how many minutes was it there for? 4 hours and 10 minutes. 4 hours and 10 minutes is how many minutes? 4 hours and 10 minutes. 4 hours, 10 minutes. Yeah, 250 minutes, okay? So 250 minutes. So what you do this time? Good one. Same as the last one. 40 plus 3x equals 250. 3x equals, well, I made a mistake there, did I? 30 equals 210, x equals 7 kilos. Okay.